Hi, real quick. This is our bathroom vanity slash cabinet. We got it from Amazon. The whole thing comes together in a flat box. You can put it together. It took me about an hour to build this, but I wanted to kind of show you all the neat little features of it. It really is pretty nice, and it kind of adds. So we have this cabinet here, but it's kind of full of cleaning supplies and other things. So we needed something. This is kind of the kids' bathroom. So the way it works is basically a nice surface top. So we have a surface right here. We have a place for other things. We have some baskets that we could put in there, some hairbrushes and various things for the bathroom. Here's where we're gonna put all the extra toilet paper. There is an adjustable shelf. The shelf can go up and down. There's little holes here. You can move it up or down a little bit. The magnetic enclosure does keep it nice and closed. Boop. That little cabinet knob here. Everything comes with it. None of the accessories, but obviously the cabinet knob does. You can switch it out. If you don't like this one, it's fine. It's a pretty standard knob. You can switch it out. And then it comes with 3 drawers. And the drawers, as you can see, they slide out. And there's actually even a stop for the drawers so they won't go all the way out. They won't fall. I'll kind of leave them right there like that. There is an instruction manual. You follow the instructions. Again, it took about an hour. You will want an electric drill or an electric screwdriver to put this together. You can do it manually. It'll just take a lot longer. The electric drill just made things a whole lot easier. So there's 3 different drawers, so that's really nice. There's a little bit of a lip underneath. But the whole thing is just a really nice looking pure white cabinet. It was fairly easy to assemble once you got going with it. It really isn't anything difficult to do. It's just basically putting screws in, moving around, clicking things together, just like any other furniture. But it really, really adds to it. It kind of doubles up our space that we can use for all kind of toiletries and things here in the bathroom. It just looks great, and we're really, really pleased with this. Check your measurements, make sure it actually fits, but having that extra surface space and then having all that extra storage really makes it worth it.